Okay, so we have the series right here, as you guys can see it. But note that earlier in one of the other videos, hopefully you're watching this as the series as it is, you saw that we did this integral over here, this improper integral, and then we would see that this improper integral diverges, right? Diverges to infinity. Now, what does that mean about this little series? Well, it means that this series also diverges to infinity. Now, why? How do we know? How do we know? Well, we know because of the integral test. Right? And I'll show you guys, where is it? Here's our series test, look. Okay. Sorry, I had to cut that for a second. Kind of said something. So, like, there's another way to show it just besides saying, hey, here's the integral test, this works. We could literally just do a few of these and we'll see what happens. Like, so, okay, remember a series is you do this function over and over again. You start with n equals 3, and then you go on and on until n equals infinity. So it would be 2, and then it would be what? 2 minus 1, and then plus 2, 4 minus 1, and then plus dot dot dot. Now note that these are all positive. Right? These are all positive. Nothing is negative, right? Like none of these little terms are negative. No matter how big n gets over here, even if it's infinity times 1000, whatever that, it's still going to be positive. So positive plus positive plus positive is a infinite number, right? It does, boom, shoot out to infinity itself. That's a really ugly infinity. It does shoot out to infinity itself. Now, it is obvious that, it does eventually, like these little terms, right? They get smaller and smaller and smaller. It'd be like this, right? Here's the start. Here's the next one. Next one. Here's the next one. Next one. But then all of that together we call equals to infinity. So it diverges. So that's just an honest way of thinking about this series, and we know that it diverges. And again, if we were to do the integral test, which I did this integral here, and trust me, it's correct, we see that it's a divergent. Oh my god, I can't say that word. It diverges. Right? So then we know that the series would also diverge. But the series is what? It's a summation, right? It's a summation of all these little terms added up together until n goes on to infinity.